And welcome to this week's What's Hot. Now, just what will our retail landscape look like with the potential disappearance of Mothercare, Mamas and Papas, Bon Marché and Jessops? Well, it's not just those names that have had a rough year in 2019. Some of the stalwart companies have disappeared as well or found themselves in trouble, including the following: Oddbins, LK Bennett, Office Outlet, Debenhams, Karen Millen and Coast, Links of London, Clinton Cards. We will remember them. And Marks and Spencer's, Boots, Tesco, big names that are all announcing that they are going to make their operations more lean, and they will be closing down some stores as they hunker down for the bleakness, which is the retail winter of discontent. Unless, of course, you are the prime pasty maker, Greggs. Now, we saw shares in the baking business surge on Monday after the company, which makes vegan, vegetarian sausage rolls, said it is lifting its profit expectations for 2019. Well, there's the non-listed companies, including Caffè Nero, that are getting with the green movement, and I mean plants, as I'm not sure if I'm allowed to make any political commentary with just 30 days to go before the UK general election as I record this. Well, being green was craftily incorporated into Experian's investor update on Tuesday. The company, the credit checking firm, lifting its full year organic revenue guidance after reporting a rise in first half profit and revenue. Now, the Rugby World Cup may have been impulsive, compulsive and repulsive viewing for many of us. In fact, 12.8 million of us tuned into the final, and that helped ITV, as did our sadomasochistic interest in Love Island. Now, I admit I haven't seen one single episode. I really don't know what all of the fuss is about. So what can we expect for the rest of the week? Well, analysts at Hargreaves Lansdown says British Land will be one of the announcements to watch out for on Wednesday, because the company, it says, is facing a perfect storm. The prime London office estate is right in the Brexit firing line, with overseas buyers reluctant to invest until the UK's departure from the EU has been resolved. Meanwhile, tough retail conditions have hit the shopping centre portfolio, and some of British Land's largest tenants have been pushed to the brink of collapse. However, the group's massive mixed-use campus-style Canada Water development took a step closer to reality in October, and occupancy could start as early as 2020. Well, also on Wednesday, we get updates from SSE, Scottish and Southern Energy, Tullow Oil, Taylor Wimpey and JD Wetherspoon. Equally busy on Thursday with Burberry and Card Factory updating investors. And will those companies, the latter in particular, share the concerns that has been dogging peers, including the beleaguered Clinton Cards? In June, Card Factory reported a positive start to the year, while Burberry has bomber jackets and bum bags to thank for its resilience. But it is for the few and not for the many. Did I really say that? Naughty, naughty Sarah. Well, Friday we have one company that will be in the spotlight. It is Future PLC. It is a British media company founded in 1985. It publishes more than 50 magazines in fields such as video games, technology, films, music, photography, home and knowledge. And if it's knowledge you want about seeing machines, then lse.co.uk has an interview with our Donald and the freshly employed chief executive of Seeing Machines, one Paul McGlone, who explains how the face monitoring tech company is excited to be moving from research and development to delivery. Well, it's a busy week. It's bound to be a busy month. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again next week.